To install Python, go to the page. Here, click on Downloads and select your operating system, Windows or macOS. Download the package and install it by double-clicking on the installed app. Follow the installation steps as you normally do when installing a software. After the installation, the app should be in your app console. There are two apps installed, IDLE and Python Launcher. Both can be used to start Python. I choose the first one. Click and open the app. A screen named Shell opens. I don't know what the screen is for. My guess is that it is the middle person that makes the app work and arranges stuff for you. You can ask simple math questions. For example, if you don't have a calculator, you can ask what 1 plus 2 is. This screen stays open where you don't necessarily have to interact with. If you want to write scripts, programs that do something, you can open a script file. In my next tutorial, I show you a simple script. To bring some joy and meaning to your present and learn something, like and subscribe.